The LDTs certification is a policy which is promoted by the Taiwan FDA. Without this certification, labs would not be allowed to offer testing service to clinical use customers. Another purpose of this certificate is to provide testing service for doctors and patients before the technology actually becomes a product. Our LDTs service could be divided into two parts. The first part is about pharmacogenetic tests. By detecting genes associated with drugs, it could evaluate the risk of drug sensitivity, metabolism, and efficacy, and to help doctors and patients be safer and more effective when using drugs. The other part is about functional medicine tests. By detecting trace physiological environmental factors in the body, it could help doctors and patients to evaluate the change of body environment, and allow them to respond and to prevent before symptoms turn serious. And back to the pharmacogenetic test, it mainly consists of three aspects regarding to the precision medicine. The most important thing is that the pharmacogenetic test could help us to choose the right drug, give the right dose, and have good response. Pharmacogenetic test results can reveal the information about personalized medicine, such as how we can use the right drug at the right dose. The technique which we use in our lab is called real-time PCR system, which is also common used in medical laboratories. The procedure is to first extract DNA from the sample, mix the DNA with a special design reagent, and then send it into the equipment. And for about an hour, we can get an accurate CT testing results. This helps clinicians and patients get the information about how to use the medicine correctly in short time. Regarding the functional medicine service, we use a device called LC mass to detect trace elements in our body. The advantage of the device is its detect level is picogram grade. And then compared with gram grade, which is a common known, picogram is only a millionth of a gram, and therefore could provide highly accurate testing results for doctors and patients. Summing up these two services by example as water pipelines, because the diameter size of water pipe is unique and no one is identical based on the variety of our genes. So by understanding the diameter, we could understand the metabolism rate. By understanding the material of water pipe, we could understand the medicine efficacy and the safety. The Pharmigene Precision Medicine Laboratory not only has many professionals, but also two senior medical technologists to ensure the reports are legally available for clinical use. The global testing market has now entered the era of molecular testing. Public can interpret the smallest functional unit, the gene, to fully understand the entire situation of their body, and to allow doctors and patients to have more information to evaluate their bodies. And as for the doctors, it will also be possible for them to provide better medical treatments and the better quality of medical care service.